What's up, family? It's your boy, Pastor Dre. I hope you are feeling well. I hope you are blessed. We are going to get into our webinar today, and I'm going to show you how to make a website for your church from scratch for free. I'm going to show you how to make a simple website. It won't be nothing too complicated, but let me see if I could get the actual website for you. I think it's My Cool Church. Let me see. Cool Church website. Let me see if I can find that for you. Cool Church website. The Cool Church. Let's try that. Okay. That's not working there. Let me see. I think that's it right here. All right. Let me see if I can find it. My bad. Let me see. Let me see. Is it the cool? Was it My Cool Church or something? My Radical Church? My church website, maybe? I can't remember what the web address is. But anyways, we're gonna have a good time here. Let me see if I could find it. Let me hold on one second. Let me see. All right. Boom, boom, boom. I got so many websites going on here. Let me see. Let me see. Do. Okay, I know what to do. Let me do this real quick. Just bear with me. Let me log into my account real quick. But we're gonna have a good time. I want to encourage you to get yourself comfortable, get some water, get some tea, however you gotta do it. But we're gonna show you how to make a nice rocking website. It's gonna be rocking. I'm gonna show you right now how it's gonna look. Let me just load it up real quick. There it is, My Cool Church. That's it. All right, so we're gonna check it out here. This is how it's gonna look right here. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. That's how it's going to look for you, ladies and gentlemen. I actually found it. Good stuff. Good stuff. So, if you would like to make a nice website for your church that looks like this, then you want to stay tuned because it's going to be rocking. All right, here we go. We're going to go ahead and get started. First thing I want you to do is if you have any questions, well, here's the first thing. If you have any questions, I want to make my email available to you, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. There's my website if you want to stop by it, PastorDre.com. I got classes. I got a blog. I got a place where you could get a free website. So let's get started. All right, first thing you want to do is go to my website, PastorDre.com. Click right here where it says free website. I want you to click right there. Now, the first thing we need to get you is a domain name. A domain name is where people find you at on the internet. Example, say your church is called The On Fire Church. Your domain name could be theonfirechurch.com. Say your church is called The Radical Church. Your domain name could be theradicalchurch.com. It's kind of like yahoo.com, google.com. Those are all domain names. Now, I'm going to show you how to get a free website. So this will be done on a subdomain, which will have your domain .siterubics.com. But hey, for free, it'll get you started. Okay. So I'm going to say my church is called Church on the Move. Let's see if that is available. Church on the Move. And it has to be available. It's going to tell you right here if it is available. So that's the first thing we're going to check. After you click on my website, PastorDre.com, you're going to click free website. It's going to take you to this page. And then you're going to check and see if your domain is available. So Church on the Move is available. That's cool. So my domain would be churchonthemove.siterubics.com. So go ahead and make sure yours is available. Once it's available, click build my free website. Okay, then you're going to get a page that looks just like this. Let me sign out actually, so you can see exactly how your page is going to look. So let's do it like this. Let me sign out. Boom. Go here. Let me log out. All right, I want to show you exactly how your page is going to look. So let me go back here, free website. Okay, then we're going to type in Church on the Move. And then it should be available. All right, then we're going to click build my free website. Just going to get some water real quick. In the meantime, it's going to ask you for your email, your name, username, and password. So go ahead and fill that out while I get some water. And the reason it's asking you for this is because This is a community that you're joining. It's an online community where you will get information on how to build websites, how to get traffic to your website, and so much stuff. Now, there's a free membership and a paid membership. With the paid membership, you get a ton of stuff. You can host 10 websites, you get 10 free websites, you get tutorials, you get a live training every Friday by Jay, who teaches you how to get traffic to your website, build a website, all kinds of stuff. You also get step-by-step videos. You also get live 24/7 chat. You also get blazing fast WordPress hosting. So that's $49 a month. If you pay in advance for a year, I think you get a big old discount. I can't remember. I think it's like you save like 50 something percent or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. But you don't have to do the paid one. I'm going to show how you can do everything for free. But the cool thing is, if you do sign up, I get a commission, so they'll give your boy a little love. All right, so go ahead and enter your email, your name, choose a username, choose a password. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'm going to go to the page that you are on right now. So I'm going to log in with my details. Boom. All right, and then we're going to click right here where it says free domain. That's what we want to do. I already chose my domain. I know it's available, so I'm going to say church on the move. Then enter title for your website. I'm going to call mine's Church on the Move. You could put whatever you want. You could put the name of your church, name of your business. If you're doing it for a school, however you're doing it, just put your title of your website there. And then you want to scroll down, see where it says choose a design for your website. I have a lot of themes because I'm a premium member. You're only going to have one. So go ahead and choose that theme right there. And then click build my website. All right. And it's going to take a few seconds to do that. And the cool thing about it is once this is done, you have a website. You actually have a website. It's not like you have to wait a day or they have to approve your website. Soon as this is done installing, your website is live. So I'm going to show you that right now. So it takes a little bit, of time. Let's go ahead and give it the time it needs to do what it has to do. All right, there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. It gives you your admin and your password. And this is where you visit your website. This is where you log into your dashboard. Make note of this right here. This is very important. You want to keep this URL here because this is where you log into your dashboard and make all your changes. Okay, this is your actual website. So I'll go ahead and click that so you can see our website is live. There it is. It's a live website, just that quick. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and log into the dashboard. And this is where all the fun takes place. But let me just go ahead and log in from here. Now, the thing with this here is you can log in from anywhere on the internet with this link, but you need to remember your username and your password. So when you click this link, it's going to ask you, it's going to ask you for a username and password. Let me show you really quick. I already logged in, but let me see if I can show you. Let me close that. Boom. Already logged in. But if you do click this, like in an incognito window, it'll ask you for a username and password. All you got to do is enter this username and this password. Okay, so let's go ahead and log into our dashboard. There it is. So this is your dashboard and this is your website. All the changes you make in here affects this here. So let's get busy. Are you ready? Now, do you remember our goal? What is our goal? Let me see if I can find our goal once more time. My cool website. I think that was it. My cool website. So let's see if we can find our goal. Oh, it's asking me to log in. So let me just go to the domain. I don't actually want to log in. I just want to visit the website. Oh, come on. What happened to our website here? My cool website. Okay, I already forgot the thing. All right, let me go back. I already forgot the name of the website. Come on, somebody. Let me find it one more time. Let me just log in real quick. Go to my websites. View websites. My Cool Church. Come on, somebody. You got so many websites going on. Okay, it's My Cool Church. So let me visit it. Go to the details. Wait. Okay, I don't actually want to log in, so let's do it like this. My Cool Church. See if I can log in like that. There it is. All right, boom. So let's go ahead and close that. All right. So this is our goal. Welcome to the live webinar. Come on, somebody. All right. So this is our goal. All right. And this is what we have right now. And this is where we're going to make all the changes. Okay. So are you ready? Are you ready to get started? You ready to do this like Brutus as God takes us through this? Okay. Here we go. All right. So let's go ahead and first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to Appearance, Customize. Click that right there. Okay. And then I want you to go ahead and select where it says Site Identity and click Hide Site Title, Hide Site Tagline, click Publish. All right. Next thing I want you to do is click this X. I want you to go to Settings. And then I want you to click where it says Writing. I want you to click where it says Block Editor. Go ahead and tick that. And then I want you to tick where it says Yes. And then scroll down and click Save Changes. Okay. Next thing I want you to do is I want you to go where it says Pages. Okay. And see where it says Sample Page. Go ahead and trash that. Okay. Now let's go back to our website. And if you click refresh, there's our website. Okay. We made a few changes. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start off by adding this blue thing right here. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. First thing you need to do is I want you to go to Settings. I'm sorry, not Settings, Appearance. And then I want you to go to Menus. Okay. And then let me see where we at here. Actually, you need to add your pages first. Sorry about that. So go to Pages, and I want you just to type in, right here where it says Add New. I want you to go ahead and we're going to add new pages here. Okay. So we're going to add Home Page. So where it says Add Title, just type in Home. And then you click Publish. Right. Then, after you're done with that, just hit the back arrow, hit Add New. And then I want you to type in the next page we're going to add, which is Live Webcast. Publish. Okay. Once that's done, let's go ahead and close this. Then you click the back arrow, click Add New. And then we need to add blog. So I want you to go ahead and type in blog where it says Add Title. Just type in blog. Okay. All right. After you've done that, hit the back arrow, click Add New. Our next page will be Small Groups. So go ahead and click right there and then type in Small Groups. Click Publish. Okay. And then we got a few more pages. We got Podcast and Contact Us. So go ahead and hit the back arrow, click Add New. And then where it says Add Title, I want you to type in Podcast. Click Publish. Okay, hit the back arrow. Click Add New. And then I want you to type in the word Contact Us. Contact Us. Then click Publish. All right. Now, if we go to our website here, I want you to go ahead and click Refresh. And now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages on your website. All right. Then we're going to change this color here to blue. So the way you do that, just click your back arrow. Come down to Appearance. Then you go to Customize right there. Okay. Then I want you to go down where it says Colors. Click right there. Scroll down where it says Navigation Color Presets. Click that and then click blue. And it changes this to blue and then you click Publish. Okay. So now when you refresh your website, that's how it's looking. And this is our goal. Okay. So there it is. You got home, live webcast, blog, small groups, podcast, contact us. Now, if you want to change the order of these pages, you just go back, go to appearance, go to menus, okay? And your menu is going to show up. Now, you could delete this home page here, not the custom link one, but delete this one here. Just click remove. Now, if you want to change the order of your pages, just click and drag. You see, click and drag. But make sure it's all the way to the left. If it's to the right, it's going to be a sub menu. You don't want that. I'm going to go to the left. Okay. So we're going to go, the order we're going to do is home, live webcast, blog, small groups. So let's do that. Home. We're going to go live webcast. Then we click and drag. Then we got blog. Then we're going to bring up our small groups all the way to the left. And then let's do podcast and contact us. Then I want you to click create menu. Okay. After that's done saving, scroll down, click primary menu and click save. All right. Let's go ahead and refresh. And there you go. Cool stuff. All right. Now we're going to change this from being a blog to a website. So let's go ahead and go to dashboard, click dashboard. I want you to go where it says settings. You click there. And then where it says reading, I want you to click right there. Then where it says static page, I want you to click that circle. Scroll down to where it says home page and then select home. Where it says post page, I want you to select blog and then click save changes. Okay, let's go back and refresh. Now you got a full-fledged website. Now, if you notice on this website, it doesn't have these things on the side. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. The way you do that is you go to pages, your home page, you want to edit with block editor. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get rid of where it says home and we're going to get rid of these things on the side. So let's get rid of the things on the side first. So you're on your home page. You want to go over here where it says sidebars and then see where it says content, no sidebars. Click that, click update. Okay, now let's refresh our website, which is actually live. There it is. Got rid of the sidebars. How do you get rid of the home? You go back to the same home page. Then see where it says disable elements over here to the right. You click that. It's content title. You click that. And then you click update. Okay, then we're going to refresh and it gets rid of the home. All right, we're making progress. So the next thing we want to do is we want to add this image in the background right here. I want to add that image. So the way you do that is we're going to go to our home page, which is right here. Click the plus. And then I want you to type in cover, C-O-V-E-R. Okay, and you click that like that. Now, I already have images on my computer, so I'm going to load up a picture right here. I'm going to click this upload button, and I'm going to go get an image that's on my hard drive. Now, you won't be able to see because of the live webcast features. Somehow it disables the viewing my hard drive. So I'm going to click upload, and it's going to tell me what image do I want to upload from my hard drive. So I'm going to go get that image. And if you have a graphic designer or somebody that's pretty good at graphics, you can have them design an image for you. And then you just upload it. So I'm going to go get an image that I already have from my hard drive, and I'm going to upload it. Okay, so let me just do that. Get the image here. Live webinars, boom, boom, boom. Go to modern website. Okay. So, okay, now the image is actually loading up. So whatever image you want to load, you can use. So I'm going to update. Okay. Now, another cool thing is if you don't want to use an image, you can use a color, but I'm going to use an image. All right. So there's our image. I'm going to click update. All right. Let's go to our website and click refresh. There's the image. Now, if you notice, this image goes all the way left to right. Ours is in the middle. How do you change that? You can leave it in the middle if you want, but I like it going left to right. So I'm going to go back over here, and then I'm going to click up on the top of the page, and then I'm going to scroll over here. See where it says, where's it at? Okay, page builder container. See that? Click that. All right, scroll down and click full width, and then you click update. So now when we refresh our website, the picture should go all the way across. And like I said, you could put any image you want and make it look really nice. All right, now how do you add this writing on top of the image? See where it says write title? You just click and you start writing. So you could say, I think we called ours Church on the Move. Then you just start typing. And then you could select it, like highlight it, and choose the B to make it bold. That's pretty cool. All right. And then under that, we could say join us every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. for our live webcast. Boom. And if you want to center it, click it, come over here, click Align Text Center. Okay, so what I did is I selected the text. See these lines right here? I clicked that and then clicked Align Text Center. Okay, Align Text Center. Boom. All right, now we want to add this button. So I go, I click after webcast and I click enter. And then I'm going to click the plus that's right here. And then I'm going to type in the word button. Okay. And then you click where it says button. You click that right there. Okay. And there's your button. So then you could type in watch live now. Okay. And then to center that, you just click the button, make sure the square shows up. Click these lines right here and then click align center right here. Boom. To change the color of the button, you click on the button and you're going to have some options that pop up over here. So where it says color settings, this is your text color. We want white. And then your background color, we're going to go for orange or yellow. And then we're going to click update. Okay. Then we're going to go over here. We're going to click refresh. And there's our nice button, website, picture. That's rocking. So we're getting close to this one. That's rocking. I like this one better. I like that button. Okay. So next thing we want to do is add this text. How do you add that text? What you do is you come down here, see this plus button, you click that, and I want you to type in the word paragraph. Okay. Right. And then just select that paragraph there, and you can start typing. Welcome to the Church on the Move. Okay, once again, to center it, you just click on the text, click these lines, and click Align Text Center. You can make it bigger if you highlight it. Okay, and then you come over here, click this little feature, this image, click where it says heading, and then choose H2. H1 makes it bigger, or H2 a little bit smaller. The smaller the number, the smaller the text. I'm going to go with H2. Then I'm going to center it with the Align Text Center. There you go. And then you click update. Okay. And we are coming along. We're coming along. All right. So let's see what we got now. Let's go ahead, add an update, and then refresh our website. Welcome to Church on the Move. All right. And this one says the church that is on fire for God. We're going to say the church that is on the move. So in order to add that, you go back to your dashboard or to your dashboard, then your home page, and you just start typing the church that is on the move. You center it. There you go. And we could even bold this, but if you want to select it, highlight it, click the B, and it bolds it for you. And then you click update. Then you click refresh. Ooh, that's rocking. Man, that's rocking. Okay. And how do you add these images? Same thing. Same way you added this image, but we're going to do a little different. What I want you to do is click the blue up here, and I want you to type in columns. Okay, the word column, COLUMNS. and then select this column that comes up, select that, and then choose the 3 columns right here. Boom. All right. And then I want you to hit the plus button and select image. There it is. Click the plus button. If you don't see image, just go to the box and type the word image and it'll come up. Boom. Click the plus button, image. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my hard drive and I'm going to grab 3 images that I made in Photoshop. Basic, simple images. But if you have someone that's really good at graphic design, then you could have them do a cool image for you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get my images. And I'm going to get, let me see, where are we at here? Boom, images, webinars. Let me grab this image. Boom. Okay, give me about 10 seconds here. Okay, boom. How to build a church website, images. So I'm going to do live webcast. And then I'm going to upload my podcast image. And then I'm going to upload my small groups image. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to center them, because if you see them now, they're not centered. So I'm going to click update and I'm going to show you. When I refresh, the images are to the left. You see that? So I'm going to center them. The way you center them is you click the image, click these lines, and you click align center. You go to this image, click these lines, then you click align center. Click the image, click align, click the lines, and then align center. Click update. And you click refresh. Now everything's lined up. That's rocking. That's a cool little website right there. And this has all been done for absolutely how much? Free. Okay. So next thing you want to do is, what do they have here? Like a little greeting video. So the way you do that is you click the plus and type columns again. Columns. And this time select the 2 column 3070. Oops, sorry, that you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you are let me delete this. You don't want to be in this box. I'm in this box actually. So I want to be down here. I want to be below that box. So I'm gonna click the blue button. Then I'm gonna type in columns just to make sure. The blue button lets you know that, to make sure that you're underneath. Okay. So I'm gonna do it like that. And then click the 3070. There we go. Let's click update. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click the plus button and add a paragraph. So go ahead and type in paragraph and it'll come up. And you could do like a welcome video. Like this is cool. Like it could be welcome to our website, because when you push it and you play it, it plays on your website. That's cool, right? So you could have a welcome video welcoming people to your website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat it like it's a welcome video. So in this text, I'm going to say, thank you for stopping by our website. Here is a welcome video letting you know what our church is all about. And that's going to say, here's a welcome video from our newcomers team. And like I said, you could put whatever you want. Okay. And you could space it out, like that. However you want to do it. You can make it bigger if you highlight it. And you come over here where it says preset size. You can make it medium. That looks pretty cool. You can make it large. You see, you could even dial it in by changing the number over here if you want to really dial it in. Boom, like that. So I'm going to go with 22. So then I hit update. If I come over here and I click refresh, there's the text. Okay. Now, if you want to put a background image like this one has, see how it has an image? Here's how you do that. So let's go ahead and delete this. Delete this column. Okay, we're going to delete everything we did on this one. See if I can get it. Boom. Now, if you want to add an image, then you want to do the plus button and you want to add a cover, cover. And you click the cover. and you do it like that. Okay. Then you want to upload your image. So let me go get the image. Let's see what image. Where's that image at? Let's see. Maybe I'll use this one. Let's see what this one is. Okay, so then you upload your image. Once your image is uploaded, then you're going to put a column on top of your image. This is the same one. I don't want to use the same one. So let me replace this one. Let me go get a different one. Let me try this one. I like this one here. It's going to upload now. Boom. There we go. Okay, so we're going to upload an image real quick. And then what you want to do is once this image is done uploading, then you're going to put a column on top of that image. Okay, so let me just upload or update. Okay, there it is. It's a big image, so it's taking a while to load, but it's ready to go. All right, so see where it says write title? What you want to do is click and then see the blue button. It says add a block. Click that. And then add a column. COL. We're going to add a column right here. Boom. And we're going to add 2 columns. Boom. Okay. So now you have 2 columns. So here we're going to type in, we're going to click the plus, and I want you to type in the word video. And then click the YouTube one. So now any video that you get from YouTube will show up. So let me go to YouTube, get a little video. Okay. Let me see. Let me see how to build a church website. Okay. So I'm going to grab one of my videos here. Let me just grab, let's just grab this one. And you could grab any video you want. I'm just doing this one for the sake of the tutorial. So let me see here. You want to go, whatever video you want to upload, you click where it says share and then copy. Okay. You want to do it like that. Share and then copy. And then that little code that you get, see, when you do share and copy, it's going to give you this code. Then you want to go back to your website, drop that code in that little box, Control V on a Mac, PC. I'm not for sure what it is on a Mac, and you click embed. The video is going to show up. That's rocking, huh? You can change the size of it if you click. If you click on it, you can change the size of it. Okay, but let's do this. Let's go ahead and I want to make this actually bigger. So let me see if I could do that for you really quick. Boom. Okay. Okay, it's not allowing me to do it. All right, but that's fine. So what I would actually want the video to be a little bit bigger. So what I could do is I could come over here. Okay, I could remove the block. And I could come over here, remove this block, right? And then I come back and say the blue, I want columns. So let me type in columns. And I'll just use this one, the 3070. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm clicking here. The plus shows up. So I'm going to click this plus. I'm going to go to columns, 3070. But this is actually putting me inside that block. I don't want that. Let me get rid of this block right here. Boom. Just make sure you're not in the block, okay? Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. So let me get out of here. This is throwing me off. Okay, let's skip that. All right. So let's get rid of this. So remove block. Okay, and let's remove this blocks. We don't want that. We don't want to add a block. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you have your title here, but we want to add columns. So I'm going to click this plus here, click the columns, and then click this 3070. Okay, so it gives me 2 columns. You can see them there. All right, so then I'm going to click the plus, and I'm going to do the video, and my video is going to be a lot bigger because the column's bigger. Then I just take that code and paste it there. Okay, so there's the video. Okay, and then my text I could put over here. I hit the plus, click paragraph, and start typing. You know, same thing I wrote or something here, or welcome. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by our website. We hope that you are blessed. Here is a welcome video from our newcomers team letting you know what Church on the Move is all about. And you can put whatever you want. And then, like I said earlier, you can change the size of it. Come over here. You can do medium. You can do large. You could dial it in by coming over here, fixing it up. Boom, like that. That's cool, huh? And you can space it down a little bit. If you go that, boom, just click enter. All right. So let's get rid of this block here. I don't want that. Let's get rid of this block. Okay, can I remove this block? Let's hit update. And let's click refresh. And there's our, no, that's not ours. This is ours. Let's click refresh. Boom. And there it is. Ooh, that's nice. It's really nice. Oh, this looks really cool. All right. And this was our goal. And one more thing they have is this right here, which is pretty cool. All right. Let's see if we can figure out how to do that. All right. So here's our website. I don't know how to make this video smaller. Let me see. I don't like it that big, to be honest with you. It's just huge. It's like clunky. Let me see. Can you change it? Oh, I see. You have to change the columns. Okay, so if I make it 3 columns and go to advanced, no, that's not going to work either. Okay, so I just make it 2 columns. I'm not for sure how to change the video, but if I spent some time, I probably could figure it out for you. But we'll just leave it like that for now. Okay. And then the last thing is they have a nice little video on the bottom. So let's get rid of this, all these columns here. Okay. All right. Let's click update. Let's find out where we're at. Boom. Hit refresh. There it is. Nice. 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 Okay. Now we want to add that video on the bottom. The way you do that is you go to the plus and you click cover. And then this time you want to upload a video. So I'm going to go grab a video from my hard drive. Let me see here. Let me go grab the video and we're going to upload it. And then we're going to click update. Once again, you could pretty much do any video you want from your media library on your website. You know, you got a video on your hard drive. You could put pretty much any video you want. So let me see here. I don't want an image. I want a video. Not the image. We want the video. So let's do cover one more time. I actually loaded up the wrong thing. Upload. Let me go grab my video. Let's see. Okay, see if I can find it for you. Boom, boom, boom. I think this might be it right here. Let's see if that's my video. We're going to click update. And it's cool. Now, the video doesn't have any sound because it's more like an advertisement because you don't want too much stuff on your website because it could be a little bit distracting. So, yeah. All right. So let me go ahead and refresh the website here. And the video's still uploading, so it's going to take a little while because it's a video, so it takes a little while to upload. There it is. So then when we click refresh, our video, we got to update. Sorry about that one. Then we come over here, we click refresh, and now you got a video. Sure, that's rocking, huh? So look at that. You got a nice little website. There it is. All right, and that's how you build a one-page website for your church. Now you can't, well, it's actually 6 pages, but this is your home page. Now you can link these images to your pages. So I'm going to build a quick live webcast page for you, and then we'll do a blog, small groups, podcast, and a contact us. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into the live webcast page. So how do you do that? You want to go back Okay. Edit with Block Editor on your live webcast page. Okay. And then what you want to do is go ahead and maybe type in welcome to our live webcast. Tune in every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. or whatever time your service is. Click update. And what you want to do is you want to go enter, click the plus, and select YouTube. Now I'm going to show you how to do a live feed. Okay, so let's go ahead and update this before we make any moves. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube. Okay, let me see if I can log into my YouTube here. Okay, sign in. Try to sign in here. Let's see, boom. See if it'll let me sign in. Okay, let me just do my two-step verification real quick. Yeah, so top-notch security right here. Okay, it's gonna open up right now for a few seconds. Let me get some water while we're waiting. A little bit of water. Hallelujah. Okay, boom. Okay, get my little code. Gonna log in. Okay, boom. So now we're gonna log into YouTube, and I'm gonna show you how to set up a live feed. Okay, so like you could broadcast live on your Sunday mornings. So what you do is you go over here. See where to see this plus right here? Click that. Click go live. Okay. And then say you want to do a live stream on a Sunday morning. You just click schedule stream. Okay. Create new. And we're going to call this Sunday morning celebration service. Okay. So that's the title. You want it to be public. The day is going to be Sunday. So wow, this year's flying by. It's already October 4th this Sunday. Okay, Sunday, October 4th. And then say your service is at 9 a.m. Let's go here, 9 a.m. Scroll and find the time. There it is, 9 a.m. Boom. All right. And then no, it's not for children. Then you click create stream. Now, you want to get the code for this stream. So you click here. See this little arrow right here? You click that. See where it says copy? You click that. Go back to your website and you paste that code right there, paste it in there, and you click embed. There's your Sunday morning celebration service ready to go on your website. My goodness. So if I visit the live webcast page, there it is. There it is. My, doesn't that look nice? That's rocking. So now when I go live on YouTube, it actually shows up on our live webcast page. Come on, somebody. That's powerful. All right, let's go to the what else other page? Let's do our blog page. The way you set up a blog is you go to post, go ahead and delete hello world. All right, you click add new. Just click add new. And it's going to set up your blog for you so you can start writing your first blog. So I'm going to say or say church on the move blog number 1. Okay, that's your title. And then you just start writing hello. Let me take the caps off. Hello, family. Thanks for stopping by our blog. We hope that you are blessed. And then you just keep writing. You could talk about testimonies. You could give a report. There's so much you can write about. And let me just tell you a secret: the more blogs you write, the better, because Google will give you more love and you have a better chance of ranking. The better chance, if you rank more people visit your website, more people hear your message, and more people hear the good news. So let's just say I wanted to write a long blog. So I'm just going to copy this and just paste it, like it's an actual blog. Boom, boom, boom. Just type. So I'm writing and I hit publish again. And now you have a blog. That's just that simple. So you go to your blog page, there's your first blog, and people can read it. There it is. Now, if you want to write another blog, you just go back to your dashboard where it says post, and you click add new, right? And you're just going to write in your title of your blog. It's going to ask you the blog title right there. And we're going to say Church on the Move. You can name it whatever you want. Blog number 2. That's what I'm going to say. Maybe it's a testimony of a missionary. You could start writing. Here is a powerful testimony from one of our missionaries on the mission field. Right? So then you just start writing. Boom. And say, I want to write, right? I'm just going to copy this. And you just start writing. Boom, boom, boom. God is on the move. Boom, boom, boom. You do a paragraph. Lives are being changed. Boom. You just write like a newsletter. You could put images. You could put pictures, right? Then you click publish. I showed you how to put images, right? You just click the plus and type in the word image. You could put an image maybe of the person that's on the mission field or pictures of what's taking place, and you just click upload. I'll just put a basic image for you now. Let me just grab any image. Let me see here. Well, you could put whatever image you want. So let me just grab let me just grab this image. Just any image. I just grabbed any image. All right. You could like it in a circle. You can make it square. That's cool, huh? Then you click update. And you could even change the size of the image. Like if you grab these little things here. That's cool. Wow. That's awesome. You could center the image. You click on the image, click these lines here. You can make it to the left. That's cool, huh? You could put it in the center. You could put it to the line right. And then you click update. You could put it like in a circle like that by clicking over here. So let's just put the square. You click update. And then you go to your blog page. And now you got blog number 2. And if they want to read it, click read more. And there's your blog. Man, that's rocking. It's just that simple to write a blog page for your church. All right. So next page we want to do is, let me see what we got here. Let me go to our home page. Let's close YouTube. Okay. Small groups. All right, let's do a small groups page. So the way you do that, you go to your pages. You go to small groups, edit with block editor right there. And what I would recommend is do it in 3 columns. I'll show you that now. So that way it looks nice and plush. So you click the plus here and just type in the word columns, right? And do the 3 columns, okay? And then you click plus, and then you want to do paragraph. And you can say the name of your small group is small group on the move. You name it whatever you want. And you could say address 123 4 Road, Goodwood Mall. Then you could say time. Let's say Tuesdays at 7 p.m. You could say contact brother on the move, whatever name you want to give, whatever their name is, and put their details 061. Or you give the church number. I think the church number would be better 061 407 74. I don't know if you want to put people's personal details on your website. And then what you could do is, if you have another small group, you just put it on the next one. So I'm going to copy and paste. I'm just going to copy and paste. I'm going to do paragraph, and I'm going to paste the same information. Let me just grab this information here. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it here. Boom. Then I'm going to hit the plus, paragraph, and paste it. Of course, your names would change. Like this could be uh, the On Fire group. Whatever your Bible study name is, you could say name is the Cool Bible Study. Let me just say that. The Cool Bible Study. And there you go. And then you hit update, and you just start typing out all your small groups. So then when somebody goes to your small groups page, there's your small groups. Wow, that's rocking. And of course, you could put a picture at the top, when someone reading the Bible, someone at a life group at someone's house. So you make it attractive, you do it like that. All right, let's do a podcast page. The way you do a podcast page is, you want to go back. Then you want to go to your podcast page, which is right here. Edit with Block Editor. Now, in order to set up a podcast page, you need to have a podcast service. There's a lot of free ones out there. I think Anchor is free. Podbean, I think, has a free service. I have a podcast with Spreaker, so I'm going to go ahead and go to my Spreaker account. And you want to get what's called your RSS feed, and that automatically updates your podcast for you. So I'm going to go ahead and log in to my podcast. It's called the Rise Up Radio segment, which is actually airs every Wednesday at 12 o'clock. It's a radio segment we have. So I'm going to go and see this RSS feed. Whenever you sign up for a podcast, they will give you an RSS feed. And whenever you put a new segment, it automatically updates on your website. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this RSS feed. I'm going to go to the URL here. And I'm going to click copy. Okay, then I'm going to close that. I'm going to go back to my website. On the podcast page, you could put some typing first if you want. Welcome to Church on the Move podcast. And here again, you can have an image. You can make it look really nice. You can bold it. You can make it big, make it large, however you want to do it. Okay, and then after you're done decorating it, you go to the plus, and then you type in RSS right there, RSS, and you click that. And then that RSS link that we just copied, you paste it right in there. You click use URL. Watch what happens. Oh, what happened here? Let me see. Podcast didn't show up. Let me see what's cracking. Let me see. RSS link. Okay, let me try it again. Try it one more time. Sorry about that. Let's see. Boom, boom. RSS feed. Let me try the RSS feed. If for some reason my RSS link is not working, let me try something really quick here. And let's see, Rise Up Radio. Okay, there's our RSS. Let me grab this link here. Boom. Try it. For some reason, it's not working. I'm not for sure why. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Let's see. Spreaker.com. Show episodes feed. Oh, okay. Let me try something. All right. I'm not for sure why it's not working, but you want to get your RSS feed. Let me see. Let me try one more thing here. Okay, your RSS feed link is copied. Let me edit it. Okay, let me try this. Automatic, manual. Okay, RSS URL. There it is right there. Okay, let me try one more time. Let me see. Let me get rid of this block here. Go down here. Boom. Type in RSS. The RSS URL here. Okay. No, it's deciding not to work. But usually when you put in your RSS feed, it will work. I'm not for sure why it's not working. All right. And then the last page you want to do is your contact us. So let me show you how to do that. Let me close these pages here. Okay. Let's go ahead and do that. So you go to Contact Us, Edit with Block Editor, and I'm going to show you how to add a contact form for free. That's right, for free. All you got to do is go to a place called jotform.com. Let me get some water while that's loading up. Okay. And then see where it says pricing? You could click that. I think you get like 5 or forms for free. It is limited for free, but there is paid version. But for free, come on, somebody. All right. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to jotform.com, sign up. So I'm going to log into my account because I already have an account. Okay. And then I'm going to go to my forms. Now, the cool thing about Jotform, let me just start with the Contact Us. The cool thing about Jotform is you just click and drag. So see how we got name, email, phone number, and how did you hear about us? You come over here where it says Add Form Element, you click that. If you want to add a name, you just click, drag, drop. There's the name. I'm going to remove it because I already have a name. You want to add email, click, drag, drop. I'm going to remove it because I already have an email. And you just add what you want. Phone number. How I did this? How did you hear about us? Is I selected multiple choice, came over here, dropped it, and I wrote the question right here. How did you hear about us? And then I just typed in the options. You could put flyer, radio, TV, however you want to do it. Okay. And then they select it. And that's how easy it is to make a form at Jotform. Once you're done, it automatically saves it for you. Okay. And then you want to go where it says settings. Okay. Okay, not settings, publish. My bad. You go to publish. See where it says embed. You click there. See where it says copy code. You click that. Go back to your website. And then you just hit the plus button here and type in HTML like that. And then you paste that code right there. Then you hit update. Now watch what happens when I visit our Contact Us form. Watch what happens. Tell me that's not cool. There's your contact form. That's simple. And it's free. It's free. All right. So now you got a website that has a home page. That's rocking. A live webcast page, a blog, small groups, podcasts. Oh, now it's working. Hello, somebody. Now it chooses to work. I guess it had to register or something. But there's all of our podcasts, and there's our Contact Us form. Wow. All for free. Come on, somebody. If you do not have a website for your church, then I'm sorry to say you are outdated. And now I just told you how to get one for free, FREE. So listen to me, fam. Let me come in the picture. Let me come in the picture. If you don't have a website, it's time to get a website. It's time to get a website, okay? And if you want to get one for free, just go to my website. Let me load up my website real quick. PastorDre.com. Click where it says free website, and you are on your way. Then all you got to do is follow this tutorial. If you have any questions, hit me up, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. I want to help you build up your church's online presence. It's like this. If you don't have a website, it's like your church doesn't have a building, because we know nowadays there's a lot of rules and stipulations of how many can fit in the building. So what happens when your building's packed out, right? Then you don't have any place for the people to tune in except on social media, but you don't want to promote your live webcast on social media. That's a whole nother ball game there. But the reason why you don't want to do that is social media is leased property. Your website, you own it. I see a lot of churches promoting their services on social media, and that's cool, but you want to promote your website for people to watch your website, watch your service on your website. And let me show you why. I'll just show you really quick. See this website here? I got a home link. I got a live webcast link. So if I'm watching your webcast, I can visit your blog. I can visit your small groups. I can check out your podcast. I can contact you. You could even put a giving page, a giving link right here. But if I'm on social media, I can't contact you with a button. I can't view your podcast. I can't view your small groups. And then I got to log out of that to go visit your website. Just direct them to your website first. You have so much more control. As I'm watching your webcast, I might get inspired to give, and you can put a giving button right here. You can't do that on social media. So what I would do is use social media to draw people to your website. I see a lot of churches drawing people to social media, and it's okay, but it's better to use social media to draw people to your website. And the more traffic you get on your website, the better. The more love you get from Google, and the higher you rank in Google. Okay, so I really want to encourage you to build a website, promote your live webcast on your website. Then you got your blog going on, updates. You could create a giving page. People can see where your small groups are at. They can listen to your podcast. There's so much more you can do with a website. Look at it like this. Social media is leased property. A website is property you own. If your social media account ever gets shut down, you still got your website. If you got any questions, hit me up. Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. God bless you.